This is not magic. This is a small science experiment. The white smoke that rises from the candle after it is extinguished, even from a distance, can be rekindled again. Can you stand a coin on the edge of a bill? First, fold the bill in half, then put the coin on it. Finally, unfold the bill slowly. The coin will not fall off. Put a pencil lead on the battery. Put a match on top. The match burns up on its own. Secure the end of the egg with tape. Sprinkle a few grains of salt on top. You can easily stand up another egg. Use a lighter to soften the mouth of the bottle. Quickly press on the table. You can easily open the cap of the bottle. Cut the tomato into 4 pieces, connected with a wire with a copper piece and a chip. Surprisingly, it can make a small light bulb light up. You invented the fruit battery. Laundry detergent bottle cap with 3 holes punched. This is a shower that can control the size of the water flow. Cut a ping pong ball into pieces. Wrap it in tin foil. Put it inside the fish tank. Light it up. You have created a smoke bomb. Put a mask on the end of the hair dryer. Then put half an empty bottle. Turn on the hair dryer. It's a simple vacuum cleaner.